Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Couch lawns like TifTuf Hybrid Bermuda are a great choice for many Aussie homes, particularly those with high traffic areas or those that want a more manicured look. In this video, we'll take a look at how to best care for and maintain a couch grass lawn. Couch lawns are faster growing grasses and will require more mowing than other turf varieties like buffalo and zoysia. Their ideal mowing height is a little bit shorter as well, somewhere between 5 and 30 millimetres. As couch grasses are faster growing, you will need to ensure you are mowing regularly. This is particularly the case throughout the warmer months when the grass is growing at its fastest. The mowing frequency will vary depending on the time of year and also the temperature in your region, but as a general rule, you should be mowing frequently enough so as you don't remove more than 1/3 of the leaf in any one pass. Throughout the warmer months of the year, if your lawn is growing too fast to keep up with, we recommend using a plant growth regulator or PGR like Primo HG. A PGR will help slow down your lawn's vertical growth, but it won't inhibit lateral growth, so it'll make your lawn denser and thicker. Couch grasses like TifTuf require less nitrogen than other common varieties like buffalo and kikuyu. If you're using Exceed liquid fertiliser, you should look to apply at least 4 times per year at the start of every season, and if you want a little more colour through the warmer months, you can apply it more frequently. If you are using a granular fertiliser like our Lawn Solutions Premium Fertiliser or Pro Plus Mini Prill, there is enough nutrients supplied over a longer period of time, so you will only need 2 applications per year, once in spring and again in autumn. Once a couch lawn is fully established, it will generally only need irrigation on an as-need basis. This does vary though. In periods of dry weather, you may need to water your lawn occasionally, and always remember, with an established lawn, less frequent, deeper waterings are the most effective method. Some telltale signs that a couch lawn needs watering include wilting leaf, the leaf is losing colour, if the lawn is looking dry or crusty in hot weather, and if you're walking along your lawn and you leave a noticeable footprint behind you, then your lawn is likely lacking water. When watering your lawn, it's always best to do so during the morning before the heat of the day. Afternoon or late evening waterings can cause fungal issues, particularly in couch lawns. Most weed killers available on the market are safe for use on couch lawns. However, it is always best practice to read the label before use. If you do have a Queensland blue couch lawn, it will be more sensitive to herbicides, so you'll need to be really careful to read the label instructions. Couch grass is a sun-loving turf type, needing at least 6 hours of sunlight a day in order to thrive. If you're getting less than this, you may have to take action to let more light in, like pruning some trees back. These are some of the most important things we recommend considering when installing or maintaining a couch grass lawn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.